Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll fix the Windows freezing, stuttering, or lagging issues. Whether it's your Windows 10 or 11, you can follow up these steps to make your PC run smoother. First of all, we can restart our PC. So go to this Windows icon right here, click on it. And from here, you should be finding a start icon here on your screen. Click on it. And you can just go ahead and look out for the option for restart and go ahead and click on it and restart it. You can close all of the applications before restarting to prevent the data loss, and sometimes a simple restart should fix the temporary issues. Apart from that, you can check Task Manager for heavy apps, hit Windows plus X, and go ahead and search for Task Manager here. Once you find it up, click on it and open up your Task Manager on your screen. And from Task Manager, what you need to do is go ahead, go to the Processes tab here. The first one, we will be directly into it by default, but if you're not, you can go over there. And from here, you can just go ahead and check for your CPU, memory, disk, etc. and end the task that is using too many resources. So right click on the task that is using too much. After that, you will be finding an option called End Task. Go ahead and click on it and confirm it. And that should also close the heavy apps that may be causing the lag or issue on your device. Apart from that, what we can do is we can update our Windows and drivers. So hit Windows plus I. And from here, go to Windows Update. And from Windows Update, you can just go ahead and check for the updates. If there is any kind of update available, you can just go ahead and update your Windows to the latest version. Also update your driver. For that, hit Windows plus X again and go to Device Manager. Hit Enter. And from Device Manager, you can go ahead and look out for the graphics chip set or the network drivers. Here, that is maybe causing issues. For example, let's say display adapter. You can expand it up and look out for the driver that needs update. Once you find it up, you can right-click on it and select the option for update driver. Click on it, and you can search automatically for drivers or browse your computers for driver. Once you do so, you can just go ahead and install base driver for your PC or computer. Install it, and that's it. Apart from that, you can adjust the performance as well. You can hit Windows plus S and type in adjust appearance, and this one right here, open it up, adjust appearance and performance of Windows. Open it up within your control panel, and once you find it up, you can select the option for adjust for best performance, this one right here. After that, click on apply and click on OK. And once you do so, that will disable all of the fancy animations and can reduce the lag. And that's it. You can follow up these steps in order to fix the issue. So if this video helped, like, subscribe, and comment below with your PC specs or any of the issues. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in another video.